Ecuador, and I was in Quito. And I was so sick. I was and I was working doing construction, and I was swimming down the Amazon River, and I got a parasite. I was sitting on my bed doing a Bible study, and I was preparing that night because I was teaching and everybody was at their construction site, and I felt a little grumbling going on in my stomach, and it hurt really bad, and I kind of leaned up to kind of let the gas out, and I pooped my pants. Oh my God. I pooped my pants. It was so bad. So then 10 minutes later, I was sitting back on my bed preparing after I changed my underwear. And I felt the grumbling coming on again.
It's the worst feeling.
And it hurt so bad, so I wasn't even thinking, and I leaned up again, just pooped my pants again. Pooped my pants again. Twice in 10 minutes.
I'm so sorry.
Twice in 10 minutes, Tim.
That's good though.